How to clear all cache on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And I'll tell you one of the most simplest way to do it. And at the end of this video, I'll tell you a tip which will be very handy in clearing off a lot of junks and a lot of cache from the computer by just one click. Please do not miss the last tip which I will share. So the very first step to clean the cache is to press Window and R, or simply do a right click in the start icon and then click on run. And here we need to type temp. I'll just maximize it. So that's the first way. Just hit enter and you will find a Windows Explorer where you will have all of these junks sitting there in your computer and making the computer slow. Now this is a clean machine. It doesn't have much junk, but still I have 76 items. So in your case, you might have 10, 15, 30 GB of junk sitting there in the temp location and making the computer slow. So you can press Ctrl A and then press Shift Delete. So these are all junk not created by you, and some of the files might not get deleted. That is fine. You can do a check mark, do this for all current items, and you can skip it. So that is the first step. Now the second step is press Window and R, or do a right click in the start icon and click on run again. And this time type %temp% and hit enter. Now this is another location of junk where you just need to press Ctrl A and then press Shift and Delete. Now the reason we press Shift and Delete to delete all these junks permanently. So you can see I have 33 items. I'll just click on yes, and then I'll click on continue. So once this is done, you can skip few remaining items. That is absolutely fine. The third step is the last step. I'll just click on run and I'll tell you the tip later on. And here you just need to type prefetch, Prefetch. I'll just maximize it and click on OK. I don't have much junk here, but in your case you might have it. This is another location which is there in C Windows Prefetch. You can press Ctrl A and Shift Delete and delete them. Now the tip which I want to share, whatever the cache and junk you want to delete, just open any of your browser which you use and press Ctrl Shift Delete and it will open up the browsing data. So from here you can delete the browsing data, downloading history, cookies, cache, or any other thing which you want to delete. So if you want to select the time range for last 24 hours, you can do that. Or if you want to select last hour, you can do that as well. And if you want to select all time, that is absolutely fine. So this is for Chrome, where you can clean all of the cache, cookies, and all the junk which is there. And let's say if you're using Microsoft Edge, the process remains same. It is actually same for all browsers. Press Ctrl Shift Delete and here we go. So you can do the same as we have done it in the Chrome browser. You can do the same in Edge. So for example, I have tested both the browsers. I'll see if Brave does the same or not. So I'll press Ctrl Shift. Let me just cancel it. Now here I'll just open. So I'll press Ctrl Shift and Delete, and here we go. I have this clear browsing data basic and I have advanced. So you can select last hour for the last 24 hours, browsing history, cookies and other site data, cache, images and files. You can delete that. If you want to go advanced, you can do that. So this is a very handy feature which you should know, and it is really helpful clearing all the cache from the computer. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and please leave a comment if you have done that. How's the performance of your computer? I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.